Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta with meat. Start by prepping 1 lb ground meat, chopping 1 onion, and measuring 2 cups of pasta. Heat a large pot and salt the water well, then cook pasta until al dente while you brown the meat. Finish the sauce with garlic, crushed tomatoes, and herbs, then combine pasta and meat for a comforting, balanced meal to enjoy. Warm up a heavy skillet and add a splash of oil before browning 1 lb of ground meat, seasoning as it cooks. Meanwhile, boil the pasta in salted water and time it to be al dente, then reserve some pasta water. Add garlic and tomatoes to the meat, simmer briefly, and toss in drained pasta with a little reserved water to marry the sauce. Serve with fresh herbs and grated cheese. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos and recipes. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated while you cook, won't spill near the stove, and fits in most cup holders, which makes it perfect for busy cooks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one for yourself. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For more flavor, try a 50/50 blend of pork and beef, or add mushrooms and spinach for extra texture and nutrients. Reserve a cup of pasta water to help the sauce cling to noodles and create a silky finish. Taste and adjust salt, pepper, or a pinch of sugar if tomatoes are too acidic. Serve with grated cheese and fresh basil, and enjoy a versatile, family-friendly meal that adapts to what you have on hand.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.